In this quick guide, I'll show you how to build a landing page in Leadpages in just 5 minutes. Start by opening your browser and going to Leadpages, then log into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click on Landing Pages, then select Create New Landing Page. This opens the template library where you can browse ready-made designs. Use the filters to narrow templates by goal, industry, or style. When you find one you like, hover to preview it, then click Start Building. Leadpages will ask you to name your landing page. So choose something clear and easy to recognize, then continue. Now you're in the editor. Click on any text, image, or button to customize it. You can also drag and drop new sections or widgets like forms, videos, or call to action buttons from the left sidebar. Everything is visual and beginner friendly, so no coding is needed. Before publishing, use the preview option to check how your page looks on desktop and mobile. Once you're happy with the design, click Publish in the top right corner. That's it. Your Leadpages landing page is live and ready to start capturing leads.